In this video, I'll show you how to change your region on TikTok step by step. This can be helpful if you've moved to a different country, or if you want TikTok to show you content that's relevant to your current location. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. On the next screen, tap on Account, then choose Account Information. Now scroll down until you find Account Region. Tap on it, and you'll be able to select your current country or region from the list. In some cases, TikTok may check your activity or location before updating your region to make sure the change is accurate. And that's it. That's how you change your TikTok region. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.